What's inside Miniezshops DIY Sculpting Kit? Let's take a look. We've got this nice 6x6 by 2-inch box wrapped in packaging that I've designed. It will be stuck to your box, not with tape, but I just need to open it multiple times, so that's what I've got at the moment. Opening it, you will find some tissue paper and a QR code that you can scan, and it'll pop you right to the instructional videos. Inside that, you will find 4 silicone molds wrapped in industrially compostable clear packaging. You'll have the body, and then you will either have a cat, dog, bear, an elephant, lion, or monkey, a cow, sheep, or pig, and if it's a future set, you might see different options. You will also see a business card for Minieshop that can take you to my website, a how-to guide, an instructional little pamphlet, and how to use the silicone molds, toothpicks, also in an industrially compostable clear bag. There's about 10 in there. These 2 tools, which are very useful, and 12 assorted fun colors, including black and white. Creativity is also included, so you may find yourself using that as you sculpt.